Forget ordinary vacations. Canada is a wilderness playground on a monumental scale, built for raw, unfiltered adventure. This is your guide to the top 10 heart-pounding experiences in the Great White North, where the air is so clean it bites your lungs. Are you ready to answer the call of the wild? Let's get into it. We're taking to the skies in British Columbia, where the best trails are hidden by towering peaks. The helicopter is your key to this untouched world, lifting you over jagged granite and emerald valleys. Once the chopper sets you down, the real adventure begins. You're utterly alone in breathtaking beauty. Every step is on untrodden ground, navigating knife-edge ridges and valleys filled with wildflowers. This isn't just a hike, it's an expedition into the heart of the wild. Trade horsepower for manpower in Algonquin Park, paddling through history. Every dip of the paddle connects you to explorers who navigated these waters. You navigate a labyrinth of lakes and rivers, portaging over rugged trails. This is a primal connection, stripping away the non-essential until it's just you, your canoe, and the wilderness. Head to the Bay of Fundy, home to the highest tides on Earth. This tidal exchange creates a rich marine feeding ground, attracting giants of the deep. Out on the water, you might see a humpback whale breach, a powerful connection to the ocean. Witnessing these creatures in their natural environment is an experience that shakes you to your core. It's a visceral connection to the raw, untamed ocean. The West Coast Trail is a 75-kilometer trek that tests you physically and mentally. You're battling relentless rain, deep mud, and slippery logs. But the rewards are immeasurable, camping on wild beaches and navigating by tide charts. After days of challenge, you feel an incredible sense of accomplishment. Walk on the Athabasca Glacier, a massive river of ice in the Canadian Rockies. Equipped with crampons, you step onto ancient history, feeling the power of this frozen giant. This adventure is a tangible lesson in climate change, witnessing the glacier's rapid retreat. It's a call to action, a chance to witness something magnificent before it disappears. The Whistler Bike Park is the heavyweight champion of mountain biking. This lift-serviced adrenaline factory offers trails from flowing green runs to rock-strewn double black diamonds. You're flying over berms, launching off jumps, and navigating intricate features. It's a full-body workout and a mental game of chess at high speeds. Head north to chase the aurora borealis in the Yukon and Northwest Territories. In the depths of winter, the darkness is the canvas for this spectacular masterpiece. Ribbons of green, pink, and purple light dance overhead, a celestial ballet. It's a deeply spiritual experience connecting you to the cosmos. This adventure reminds you of the magic that exists far from city lights. In Churchill, Manitoba, observe polar bears in their natural habitat. From a tundra buggy, you see these magnificent predators up close. It's a raw, unfiltered look into their lives, a powerful moment of connection. This experience is a heavy dose of reality about our planet's future. In Johnston Strait, sea kayak among northern resident orcas. You're in a tiny craft gliding silently through the water, completely immersed. A pod of orcas might pass within meters, a life-altering experience. To look an orca in the eye is a moment of pure awe. It's a profound lesson in respect for the wild. End your journey at Lake Louise and Moraine Lake, iconic for their turquoise color. This is the gateway to rewarding high alpine hiking, testing your lungs and legs. Reaching a summit high above these lakes, you feel a profound sense of wonder. It's the perfect finale to a Canadian adventure. Canada's wilderness is vast and waiting to be explored. These adventures are invitations to challenge your body and refresh your soul. The real adventure is planning your own, trading comfort for character. Which adventure calls to you the most? Tell us in the comments. Your next great Canadian adventure starts now.